Afternoon, folks. It's a rainy afternoon here, and the goslings have finished hatching. They were indoors for a day, and now I've let them out because the best thing for them to do is eat grass. And you can see they're being helped to eat grass by their parents. The two gray ones in front are their pilgrim mothers, and in back is the Papa Goose, saddleback gander. I don't actually know. It could be anyone who laid those eggs and anyone who mated with those geese. But these are the parents. We're finally getting some rain. We've actually had quite a dry spring. We were at 27% of normal rainfall as of last week. So it's good to be getting this rain. Everything's growing. The stinging nettles are huge. The chives are huge. Oh my goodness. The lovage is like exploding because it always, it's a huge plant anyhow. And then in the back, I planted carrots and parsnips in that bed. And then over here in this bed are beets and snap peas and more beets and a little bit of turnip. This will be the next bed that I plant. Rhubarb is growing. Everything is growing. It's just that time of year. And the rain really is helping. You can see here, this is my sweetgrass pot, and you can see exactly how far the geese can reach in through the garden fence. The pigs all got out yesterday, so we were chasing them around, getting them back in. I'll try not to chase too much, but more like lure gently. Here's another saddleback who very much wants to sit on this nest, but as you see, she's not quite big enough. Geese keep laying in there. Luckily, they're starting to lay over there. Need to collect those eggs. And the chickens are back to laying in this corner. I really have no idea why they do that. So, I haven't checked in here lately at all. I give them food and water, but I haven't gone in to see the status of the nests. There are a couple of hens sitting on a mega nest, chicken hens, and then there's Miss Emden in there sitting on her nest. I would be expecting there to be chicks soon. They've been sitting a while in there. Oh, and there's the rooster watching. Here is a goose she really wants to lie on a nest, but maybe hasn't chosen the best spot. And also, if you look back here, this is hilarious. There's another goose who has clearly made a nest. So, yeah, it's look at that goose butt. Maybe it's not the worst spot ever. So, geese everywhere. Haven't done anything on this berry patch yet. I need to move these boards out of here, ideally before I fence, because who wants to carry things over a fence? Back here, You can see where the pigs, when they got out, they just dug up a big chunk of ground there and they made this big hole right here, which is normally where I drive through. So that will have to be addressed. I really just need to get them in this fence. I bought more fencing today, so that can hopefully go up tomorrow or something. I have a date tonight, so I'm going to be doing something other than gardening and fencing for a day or two, which is good. In the chicken coop back here, there's a chanticleer sitting on a nest and some ducks sitting on a nest. Here are some ducks. And actually, here's a duck egg that these ducks should be sitting on. Excuse me, folks. And they're not really laying in here much. They are new to this. This hen here has been sitting for a while on that nest. And, hey miss, can I see under you? Okay, good. They are doing what they should do. I'm just gonna give them some food. Hey ladies. Normally I keep a tin can in here. Want some food? No. I'm excited about her chicks though, because they'll either be pure chanticleers or they'll be my green laying mix from here. I don't know about those ducks. Oh, there. Just make sure the ducks aren't laying any eggs out here. Don't see any eggs out here. So, that's good. The pigs also dug up some space here. Yeah, so just a rainy day with goslings. I'll probably have more goslings for you for the next several days because I love them. They are my favorite. Just like piglets, which are also my favorite. You have a good afternoon.